Right here, man, is the Caribbean Sunset Rum Punch. Yes, man. Ha, you like that voice? Pineapple slices, orange slices, a different kind of orange slices, followed by some strawberry slices. We got a ton of fruits in there. Whatever you got in your house, dump it in. Then we hit it with the rum. Okay, but that's not the only rum we're gonna use. We come behind that with coconut rum. But we're still not done with the rum yet. You know another kind of rum we could use? Mango rum. Then come behind that with some spiced rum. You get it, just a ton of rum. Get all your rum poured in. Come behind that with some mango nectar. Mango nectar is super thick, it's super tropical. Hit it with some orange juice. Why? Because you got some of that in your fridge. You drink it in the morning? Don't drink it in the morning, okay? Put it in your rum punch. Come behind that with some white cranberry peach juice. Bingo, good to go, okay? Now we grab some Sprite, lemon lime soda, top that with it, okay? Then we come behind that with some Grenadine to add a little bit of coloring, okay? Remember, it's a sunset, and when you look at the sunset, you get a little red, a little orange, you know, a lot of colors going on. Good to go.